Deputy, tell him the plan, Deputy.
We're gonna fill the truck up with water, and then when the water comes, we're gonna fill up the truck with the water and put a tarp in it, and we're gonna swim around in the front yard and have a fun time.
Are you gonna invite any females to your pool party?
Yeah. Only big ones.
Only the big ones, Deputy?
Yeah.
Good job. Where are you having your pool party at again? The truck?
That truck right there.
Show them.
I just got this new in-ground. But
It's
it moves.
new in-ground, but it moves. You
Sure
got a pool
does.
on wheels?
It's about, we'll call that 4.5 feet.
It's like 6.
How do you know? By about 5.
How many of your females do you fit in here?
We're gonna try one.
Is that big? She's the biggest girl in Indiana.
She came into
the
the
4x4?
She came into the office and she was asking for the deputy. I said, that's me.
I can make it all in.
Hey, Deputy.
Yeah.
I think we need to downgrade Eli's position to Ranger. Ranger.
Yo,
I was thinking cross guard
Cross guard?
for schools.
I'm not going back to traffic duty, bro.
Yeah,
Dude,
some
I
cross
think
guard.
I think we're gonna put you on traffic duty.
Bro,
Give
Or
you
I'd
one of
rather
those-
be in the park ranger.
One of those wavy sticks.
What do you want to pick?
Park ranger.
Actually, no, park ranger. How about?
I'm gonna be a park. No, you already said park ranger, Dips.
You know what I'm actually thinking?
What?
Mall security.
You know my
We're
leg.
downgrading you to mall security.
You just do a little simple thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay to park? No, no more parking spots. You need the thumbs down.
Actually, Deputy, I think this is Rosan's new squad car.
Ooh, spoiler!
Rosan,
Nissan
this is your new squad car, bro. Yeah, just pushing my thumb. Tearing down the spot. Yeah, you know how it goes.
Hey, who sings that song?
I don't know.
Alright, let's keep it that
Go
way.
to Georgia Line. Get the big humble jumbo one. That's all we need. $9, that's a good deal.
What up?
What y'all doing? Hold on. Stop. What are you talking about? No. No. Subway.
When's mom picking y'all up?
No, we biking.
You biking? Where's your bike?
Damn. He's famous.
He's famous.
He has somebody follow him with the put on the camera all day. He pays me to push him around too. Yeah, I'll push you around. He's famous as hell.
$100 a bit. $100 an hour.
$100 an hour.
No, hour. $100 an hour. I'm
Charging me $100 an hour? No, you don't charge him. He'll pay you $100 an hour. You just gotta push him.
You scared?
3, 2, 1.
Hey, good shit.
My boy.
That one there was a violation. Personally, I wouldn't have it.
He's looking for some new hugs.
Only fat ones.
I'm suing. What?
Those kids are just screaming in there.
They're freaking out. It's a scat bag. Oh my god. Red bag. Alright, Camo. You take care, buddy. Alright, I'll do it first.
The ringleader. They did not buy that fishing pole.
That's what I said. He said he did.
You need to always hit mine.
No, they did not.
We do not care.
I'm riding out some drugs, but I won't do them, that shit weak. I got different color bricks for every different day of the week. I got different color bags for every sex that bitch don't see. I got different color bitches, yeah, they pussy, they both pink. Yeah, that pussy boom, punching. What the fuck you talking about? You ain't get money, ho, you ain't my twin. I got bad bitches on my side, twin.
You don't want the fall out, but I got it right.
It's filling up. We got the tape on her. We're almost ready to rock and roll.
Oh yeah!
Are you going swimming?
I'm going swimming with your fat.
Get all up in that water.
If she can fit, damn it. You might need a bigger truck.
All up in that water.
My fat bitches, he means. And she will fit. We'll make her.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
I like them small girls.
He's down to 50.
My girl's going to Arby's for lunch.
That's where my girl goes. What'd she get?
They're gonna slide.
What's she did?
A roast beef sandwich with a horseradish sauce.
She don't get no roast beef sandwich. She gets 4 Jamocha shakes and a beef and cheddar. Quadruple stacked. With extra Arby's sauce.
You know what they say? She ain't 280. She ain't a lady.
We're looking for 400.
I'm more 480 and she ain't a lady than 280. We're talking, are you have anorexia? What's going on?
Deb, you ready?
I'm ready. My pool is made.
We need to put your floaties on.
Where are my floaties?
Beach day. I love you. Hey, thanks, Dan. I'll remember this. I'm gonna give him hell.
Why you kind of catchy though? What? Is that your sick move?
Let's freaking do this, Cory. Let's get radical. I also should have brung my beer.
All right, ladies and gents. We're about to do a hillbilly pool special. Monster truck pool. These guys going swimming. I'm driving. And we're lit, man.
Calabunga.
All right, let's do this. It's gonna be a lot. This thing drives like a tank. Don't lose all the water.
Oh, he's pissed. He's pissed.
That's funny, bro. How much water we got back there?
The tarp's kind of falling apart.
How bad?
Oh.
Where's it leaking from? Oh, there's more than enough. Get in there, boys.
Yeah, I need to.
Bro, we're losing water. Cory, we're losing water. We gotta drive.
You gotta go.
Let's go.
I'm warm, honestly.
Oh! Holy shit. Woo! We lost balls! No! Our balls!
No.
Holy shit!
Our balls.
Keep your goggles on at all times.
We're going, boys. To the cliff.
Got my rings.
Hey, take it easy, bro.
My pool. I love my pool. Look at that little gay pool. That's gay. Woo! Hold on tight, boys. It's a hard ride. Hey, get the float.
No, it don't matter. It's all out.
Dude, we lost it all, bro. Oh no.
We lost the water.
Oh no.
Cory, we need
It's going down.
It's all good,
It's
deputy.
shaking.
Hey, deputy.
Yeah.
We're alive, deputy. You doing all right, Dad?
Going in sportsman.
Hey, I'm kind of. Hey, Dane.
Deputy, you alright?
I'm chilling. Yeah. All right.
Maybe I want to go swimming.
Hold it.
It's nice in here.
Our pool.
We're good. You look a little cold there, Deputy.
Oh no. Warm.
We're never
This is what warmth looks like.
About to squirt some tires. I'm about to swerve him in that corner. Get it.
Yo! Yo!
They're not standing a chance.
And we can do it again.
Turn.
That was a heavy hit to the water right there.
Woo! Right up for one. Woo! Uh-oh, Jiminy Cricket! Oh my God!
Chido 1, his pool 0.
Hey,
463-533. Who's that?
Give me a ring, baby.
Ooh.
Hey. Yeah, babe.
The floodgates.
The floodgates.
Oh, he's
Everyone's
pissed.
trying to with me, man. Everyone's trying to flip me off. Why can't they just respect that I have the biggest truck in town? You tell me, Tep.
Well, I'm
It's just
saying
tomfoolery, bro.
the bigger the truck, the bigger the man. That's
Bigger
what
the
I
dick.
say.
They're just max my so big, dude. It should be an honor they see a truck like this.